Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like this video, share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for this. So, we would want to see where this USD card will actually be moving for this week. Now, one thing I am seeing here, right, on this USD card is that a big drop is going to be coming soon. Which, when I've analyzed it top down, done top down analysis, I've seen that a big drop will be coming. But the thing is, when will that drop be coming? I can't really predict. But let's see it on this daily time frame right now. I want you to watch this movement. You will see something like a W movement or M movement, right? Reverse of it is kind of like a W. So we see something like left from here. We see one here. We've gotten another drop. We can call it like a double bottom if you want, as you may call it. Then the next movement we want to see to come to this top. As you can see, price started from this level, right? You all know that movement of M and W, right? Since price has actually fallen from around this level, price has dropped. Now we'll be expecting this movement to actually come to this same level before a good amount of drop will actually play out. So this is exactly what I am watching out for. So I'll be expecting more bullish move on USD card before we start getting that drop. Now let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. When you go to this level that let me show it to you very well. This level also can also be viewed as a liquidity level, right? You all know once you can kind of have like this kind of like a candlestick wick, something like this, kind of like a liquidity level. We would expect price to actually come to tap this liquidity also before we also get that drop. That is one of the reasons why I'm speculating a bullish move first before this USD card will actually drop. Let's see if that bullish move will be about 50 to, let's see if you can have about 70 to 100 pips bullish move. That is what I'll be watching out for. Probably 70 to 100 pips bullish move before price drops. Now, when we go to the 4-hour time frame, there's kind of like a correction, right? Or a pullback that has come to tap our 10 period simple moving average, drop to tap our 20 period simple moving average. I expect a rejection, get by USD card to actually go bullish. At the same time, we might not see that strong bullish move. I mean, when we take a look at this DXY here is actually the factor. Our USD index is actually the factor. So I'm watching out for it closely. If in case DXY starts dropping, then we will get a drop on this USD index. But for some times now, I will be expecting a DXY to actually be going bullish. So with that, I expect USD card to go bullish. But if in case DXY starts falling, then I can say that it will not be safe, it will not be safe for us to continue to hold these long movements on USD card. Anytime soon, a drop is going to play out on this USD card. But let's see if we can make about 70 pips before that drop will play out. I'm not really sure about that. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link to it. I'm sure a lot of you actually lost a lot, especially last week trading. A lot of majority of news actually came out, Tuesday, huge news came out. I actually profited last week. Last week was actually a profitable week. You can see it on Friday. A lot of crazy movie actually played out. A lot of people lost. So these are all some of the trades we actually took last week. In the comment section, I'll put a link to this playlist so you can go there to watch it. And some of those trades we've taken in the past, check this channel, check the playlist. You'll see some of those trades we actually took in the past. You can now compare it with the date and see if this our trade actually match, if we are correct or not. Basically, all my win trade and loss trade is what I'll be putting out here. What you can see here, you can see our win trade, and one of the loss we had was Euro AUD, which is 100 pips. We had a loss on it. But when we take a look at this gold, the profit we had was about 200 plus pips. Basically, our profit was able to cover our loss, coupled with the fact that we made a profit on S&P. We also made a profit on US stats. Come on. This were last week was a profitable week. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, then give it a try. These are all these trades that I'll be giving. Good setup, I'll be sharing out with you. I want you to actually give it a try for just a month, right? Try it. After a month, then you can decide if you cancel your membership or if you go ahead with your membership.